Super Style. This is Prachi, and as you know, Friday is nail art day on Super Style. So today I'm going to be doing another nail art video. This is for Halloween. I absolutely love Halloween. And since I love Halloween so much, I will basically be doing not one, not two, but 5 different nail designs on 5 of my nails. And these designs are going to be very easy for a couple of reasons. Firstly, I won't be using any specific nail art tools. Just some liquid eyeliner and a couple of toothpicks are like all you need. And these designs are actually created using very small thin lines and dots. So with just some lines and dots, you'll be able to create this entire design on your nails. And if you want, it goes without saying, you can do all your nails with the same design or mix things up, match it up, or just do whatever you want, however you like it. If you recreate these designs, don't forget to share them with me on Instagram and tag Super Style so I can have a look at these pictures that you've been sharing, and I would love to feature your designs on my account as well. So just keep watching. So these are the 5 different designs that we'll be trying out today. As always, first prep up your nails and apply a base coat, followed by the following colored nail polishes in the order as shown. First, we'll start off with the pinky finger, which is the Mad Ghost design. To create this look, take out your toothpick and draw 2 giant white dots. Also draw a wavy shaped oval, which means you can basically make a really wrong oval and that'll be just fine. And fill up the eyeballs. And also draw a big red mouth. Next, I want to show you the thumb, which is a sly spider web design. For the smoky effect, use an eyeliner to draw a few thin lines. And then dip your toothpick in the eyeliner and join these lines. Another great look to wear is this accent nail dripping blood nail design. Keeping close to the edge, draw a few random dots using your toothpick and then stretch out these dots right up to the tip. Fill up the tip with just a little bit of color to complete the effect. And for all the Frankenstein monster fans, here's a design on the index finger. To create this look, first draw a zigzag line and then carelessly fill it up with color. Draw 2 slashes for the eyebrows and tiny dots for the eyes. Draw a thin line and cross it out for the mouth. And finally complete the eyes with 2 white dots. Since Halloween is absolutely incomplete without the pumpkin, here's a wicked pumpkin design for the middle finger. To create this look, first draw 2 open circles and a little triangle for the nose. Create some crooked lines for the mouth and complete the eyes with 2 white dots. And of course, add a few white slashes for the teeth. Finally, seal all your nails with a top coat, and that's all. This design is so easy to create and looks absolutely adorable. Don't forget to write in the comment section below the number of your favorite design. So well, that's all for now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Super Style for more such videos and many more different types of videos, guys, because I have been experimenting so much with different types of videos and it's been so much fun. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter and Google+, because it really helps me when you guys do that. So please share the video and don't forget to come back for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.